All right, intermediate algebra. So this one is a perfect squares intro. Now, you just got done doing difference of squares, where you knew that you took the square root of this term and the square root of this term, and it turned into x plus 7 and x minus 7. And what that did was it eliminated the middle term. It eliminated this one. This time you're going to notice that there is a middle term, but you're also going to notice that that 14x is exactly double the square root of this term, okay? Meaning it's 7 plus 7. So truly what this turns out to be is because there's a middle term which is exactly double the square root of this right here, it turns out to be x plus 7 squared. Your two terms, if you were to do diamonds and rectangles on this, would turn out to be x plus 7 and x plus 7. And if you think about that rectangle, you would have 7s in the two opposite corners. So 7 plus 7 would be your 14. So whenever you have a perfect square, you take square root of this one, you take the square root of this one, x plus 7. You know that x times 7 is 7x, and then the other one, x times 7 is 7x. 7x plus 7x would equal 14x. Not making sense quite yet. Let's try another one of this type. So here's this one. This right here is a perfect square. This right here is a perfect square. And this one is exactly double the perfect square of this one. However, here's what I want you to think about. Right now, you're probably thinking, yeah, but the square root of 16 is 4. Well, I'm going to ask you why you think that. And you're probably going to tell me, well, because 4 times 4 is 16. At which point, well then, what is negative 4 times negative 4? Oh, that's 16 as well. That's right. So the square root of 16 can either be the positive value of 4 or the negative value of 4. Now, in this one up here, we needed the positive value because then it added up to a positive 14. This one adds up to a negative 8, so guess which one we need here? That's right. This one has to be the x minus 4 because our middle term, our b term, is the negative value of that. Hopefully that makes sense to you. And again, I'm here on Google Hangouts to help you. One last one to go through because they do ask one other way. They're going to give you this equation right here. Now, doing this, you're probably going to, okay, well, that's your x, and this is your 2, and because this is a plus 4, it's a plus 2. So we've got x plus 2 and x plus 2. So we know that this length here is x plus 2, and we know that this length here is x plus 2. All they're asking for is what is the side length of any of these sides. And the side length of any one of these is just simply x plus 2. So that's all we put in there. That's all there is to it, guys. I will see you over on Google Hangouts. Bye-bye.